Lena and Johnny, that is really what you notice here on the boardwalk in Atlantic City. I've even seen a few people walking out here this evening, struggling to keep walking in a straight line. You can see that these guys here outside the Ocean Casino Resort, they are having a challenge. They're having a tough time shoveling, trying to keep up with the snow that's coming down, but also these very, very gusty winds that have intensified here as the evening has gone on. It was much, much lighter than this. We were talking about the wind a couple hours ago. I can tell you that you can see that we do have some snow here on the boardwalk in Atlantic City, but driving around in town here, actually not too bad right now when you're talking about snow accumulations on the street. That is here on the Barrier Island in Atlantic City, but once you go offshore, we were in Absecon and Galloway Township and Port Republic and Little Egg Harbor Township, in Ocean County, Stafford Township. In those mainland communities, there is much, much more snow, inches of snow on the ground, and much tougher to get around. We sent in some video a short time ago from the Garden State Parkway as well in New Gretna, that is in southeastern Burlington County, heading south towards Atlantic. Very slow going there, speed limit 35 miles per hour, and there were the lanes there on the parkway were snow covered as well. We have the winds getting stronger, we have the snow continuing to come down, and Justin was telling me that even though there's not that much accumulated here on the ground in Atlantic City, that is going to change, and we are going to end up with much more than we have right now on the ground here in AC. And then the concern of coastal flooding on top of all of this coming up closer to midnight in shore communities up and down the coast. Live in Atlantic City, I'm Ted Greenberg, NBC10 News.